Nepal is one of the most sought-after adventure destinations to experience natural and cultural scenes in areas where normally modern transport system is not available. By trekking along some of the best trails in the world, you discover many new horizons. The haunting beauty of the Himalayan reaches and the peculiar warmth of the mountain peoples, far from the feverish pace of Western civilization. There are treks for every level of fitness, from short walks on relatively level terrain to rugged, demanding expeditions. They can take the traveler to regions of anthropological or cultural interest, to areas of exceptional mountain scenery, into the jungle, over high snowy passes, or to expedition base camps on the lower levels of the highest peaks.